A very good morning, dear students. Most of the time, children ask that they have only heard about the world of the dinosaur, but they have never seen these all things. So, my main motto to make this video to take a walk in the world of dinosaur. Got it? So, one by one, I'll show you all the things in three-dimensional form, and I hope you will all enjoy this video. So let I take you there. First of all, I'm going to show you the picture of Apatosaurus. See, this one is the picture of Apatosaurus and how nicely it looking. Okay, so you will watch this picture in three-dimensional form, and you make comparison of the size of the human also, that what is the size of the human in front of this Apatosaurus. So please see this. See this, the human will look this much smaller in front of this Apatosaurus, and you will enjoy this three-dimensional video. Okay, by moving this Apatosaurus I can show you, and I hope it's very wonderful and you are enjoying the real mode. Got it? Okay, and how nicely he is moving his head also, and he has started to walk, and he is also waving his tail. It's wonderful. Now see the movement of this Apatosaurus. Show, dear student. Apatosaurus, formerly known as Brontosaurus, was one of the largest land animal to have ever existed. This enormous reptile lived in woodland environments during the late Jurassic period. The fossils were discovered in United States, है ना, and Colorado, Oklahoma, Utah, and Wyoming. Apatosaurus weighed more than 4 elephants and was capable of consuming tremendous amount of plants in a single feeding time, observable from their thick mouse like lips, perfectly suited to gather plant materials instead of rearing up while eating. Apatosaurus knocked down trees using its strong limbs and massive bait, similar like elephants do today. Based on the lack of characteristics track marks, paleontologists believed that Apatosaurus held its tail off the ground, and it's possible that they wiped its tail at high speed to intimidate or even inflict flesh bounds on its meat eating antagonists. So I hope it's very interesting. Let's see next. Next I am going to show you, see this one, greenish color. The name of this dinosaur is Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus, which lived during the early Jurassic period, was discovered both in the US and China in the 1940s, and all details are written in the short form of in this video. You may go through this for the more knowledge and see how nicely it's looking. It's looking very wonderful. I hope you will enjoy more. Next I'm go to show you next thing. Now see, the name of this one is Dimorphodon. So Dimorphodon is very famous, and it's in carnivore nature, and I hope you will enjoy this also. Now see how nicely it's looking from all side. I'm showing this video. It's very wonderful. Okay, next thing is that, see, I'm going to show you, oh, it's also carnivore in nature. Okay, and Gigantosaurus is very famous, and it was discovered in Argentina in 1994. Next thing I'm just going to show you, see, how nicely this dinosaur is flapping their wings. The name of this dinosaur is Pteranodon. So it's looking also very interesting, and how nice to see. From all sides I can show you by moving their body how nicely it's looking, and I hope you will all enjoy. So please, to watch more, subscribe my channel, and in this way I will bring you more videos for you. Thank you.